This is the NutriBullet Every Grain Cooker. With the NutriBullet Every Grain Cooker, you can cook all types of grains with the 5 auto-cook programs. Or use the steam function to perfectly steam your vegetables, proteins, and more. Add flexibility to your cooking with the programmable delayed start, which allows you to set a start time up to 12 hours ahead of cooking. And when cooking is complete, it will automatically switch to keep your meal warm. The stackable steaming basket allows you to steam vegetables or proteins while your grains cook, giving you a complete meal in no time. The NutriBullet Every Grain Cooker makes up to 10 cups in the non-stick cooking pot. And the non-stick pot makes for easy cleaning. The NutriBullet Every Grain Cooker is the perfect addition to your kitchen.
Uh-oh, you've got hungry mouths to feed, but you've forgotten to defrost dinner again. Thawing food takes time that you don't always have, and defrosting in a microwave can leave the food tasting like rubber. Don't go reaching for the hairdryer. For food defrosted in a hurry, you need the Fast Thaw 4-in-1 chopping board from JML. With its fast-acting defrost tray, it safely thaws your food up to 3 times faster, so you can go from freezer to table in a fraction of the time. Just look at these 2 ice cubes. The one on the Fast Thaw is melting like hot butter, while the one on the plate stays frozen solid. Fast Thaw's natural thermal conductivity quickly draws out the cold from your food, defrosting your food up to 3 times faster. Fast Thaw is perfect for defrosting all your meats, and it's great for defrosting stocks, soups and sauces. It will even thaw your pre-packed foods, so you'll never get caught out again. Defrost prawns for a quick stir fry, and even burgers for a last-minute barbecue. You can quickly soften butter for baking, Fast Thaw frozen pastry for pies, or even bring a frozen dessert quickly up to the perfect eating temperature. Fast Thaw will thaw them all in up to a third of the time. Fast Thaw is more than just for defrosting. Flip it over, and it's a handy chopping board. Its non-slip rubber edge will keep it in place. The built-in knife owner keeps your knives sharper for longer, and the integrated grinder is perfect for grinding herbs and spices. And when you're finished, simply place Fast Thaw in the dishwasher for a quick and ultra-hygienic cleanup. Don't waste time waiting for food to thaw. Defrost food in a third of the time with Fast Thaw 4-in-1 chopping board from JML. Take yours.